Today's topic is to convert a list of a strings and a characters in it to the list of a particular characters. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a list comprehension, and the method two by using a join method. Let's start from the first method, that is by the list comprehension. So first we are going to initialize our list which contains a string and characters in it. After that we are going to create a string which will be including only the single elements of the particular characters or the strings. So we are going to use a list comprehension, that is for each and every element in our list number one, we are going to go through that particular character or a letter in that particular string, and we are printing it out individually into the list number two, and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, the triple A, it got individually separated, and the DE similarly